Hello everyone, welcome back to the Leetcode weekly contest. I'm thrilled to your host for today's session. In this contest, we are going to dive into a coding contest of a Leetcode, existence of a substring in a string and its reverse. So our problem statement: given a string S, find the substring of length 2 which is also is present in the reverse of S. Return true is a substring exists and false otherwise. So let's take our approach here. Let's find out our approach. First, iterate through the string S to generate all possible substring of length 2. Store its get avoid a duplicate. First iterate through string to generate the all possible length 2. Generate all possible all possible length 2. And second, store the avoid duplicate. Store them to store them to avoid duplicates. And third, reverse the string s. Reverse string s. And number fourth, iterate the substring. Iterate substring. Set of substring. And check the reverse exist in the reverse string. Check reverse string. Let's take an example number one here. Example number one. Input our input s is equals to Leetcode. First, our step is here generate substring of length 2. Generate substring of length 2. Here le et and tc here co od and there de. These are the string le ee et de co od de. These are the generate substring of length 2. Second, reverse the string. Reverse string ed o c del. These are the reverse string. And third, and check if a substring from the set exists in the reverse string, and check if any substring exists in the reverse string. Reverse string. So we length 2. Second, second reverse string. Reverse string. And third, check if any substring from from exist in the reverse string. From exist in a reverse string. In a reversed string. And number 4 hour and return true. Return true. Let's take an coding apart here. Generate substring of length 2. Here reverse string. Here check if any substring exists in the reversed string, and here return true and otherwise false. This solution classes provide a method in substring that takes a string as input and return true if any substring of length 2 exists in both the original and reverse string. So our here and time completely over this solution is on. N is a number of n is a number of input string. Number of input string. Thank you for watching. In this video, uh, we explore coding problem. We discuss efficient approach to solve each problem and provide detailed explanation with the examples. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding content. Also, feel to leave your comment and question below. Happy coding and see you in the next video.